Have you ever experienced a calming, tingling sensation? Maybe it happened when someone whispered softly, or perhaps it was while watching someone paint. That, my friend, could be ASMR. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's a fancy name for a delightful feeling. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation washing over you. That's the magic of ASMR. It's like a happy little secret spreading peace and quiet. ASMR triggers are like happy little accidents. They are the special things that make you feel tingly. Some people love soft whispers, others enjoy the gentle tapping of fingernails. Even watching someone brush hair can trigger ASMR. There are many happy accidents in the world of ASMR, just waiting to be discovered. The crinkling of paper or the scratching of a pen can also be very soothing. It's like finding a hidden treasure that brings you joy. Exploring different ASMR triggers helps you find what brings you the most peace. Many people enjoy ASMR because it helps them relax. Life can be stressful, like a cloudy sky. ASMR is like the sun peeking through those clouds. Watching ASMR videos can be very calming. It's like having a friend whisper words of encouragement. ASMR can help quiet your mind and let go of stress. Some people use ASMR to fall asleep. It's like drifting away on a peaceful cloud. ASMR can be a wonderful tool to find moments of tranquility in your day. It's all about embracing the joy of simple pleasures. Section 4. The science behind the tingles, a glimpse. Scientists are still trying to understand ASMR fully. Some believe it's connected to how our brains respond to certain sounds and sights. It might be linked to the release of feel-good chemicals in our bodies. Like a painting full of hidden details, the science of ASMR is complex. But one thing is certain. ASMR can have a positive impact on how we feel. It's like a gentle reminder that there's beauty in the world around us. Section 5. Your journey into ASMR. A simple guide. Ready to explore the world of ASMR? Start by finding a quiet space where you can relax. Put on your headphones and choose an ASMR video that appeals to you. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to experience ASMR. Let the sounds and visuals wash over you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different triggers until you find what brings you joy and relaxation. It's all about finding your own happy little accidents in the world of ASMR.